Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming compatibility for your Mazda CX5 and phone. Many CX5 model year 2018 or newer include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Check your infotainment version now. Update your phone to the latest system release and update the Waze app. Use an OEM or high-quality USB cable at least 1 meter long for wired connections. Remember that Bluetooth only carries calls and audio, not Waze navigation in most Mazda systems. Plan for either a wired setup or the car's wireless CarPlay or Android Auto option. Begin the wired connection by unlocking your phone and plugging it into the Mazda USB port. Use the 1 meter cable to ensure stable data transfer. Watch your phone for prompts and open Android Auto or CarPlay when requested. Grant permissions for contacts, location, and notifications according to the on-screen prompts. On the Mazda CX5 infotainment screen, choose the CarPlay or Android Auto source from the menu. Once connected, open the Waze app through the CarPlay or Android Auto interface to start navigation immediately. For wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone first. Pair your phone to the Mazda CX5 via the infotainment Bluetooth pairing sequence. Follow prompts to allow wireless projection and accept any pairing codes shown on both displays. If Waze does not appear, restart your phone and cycle the car ignition, waiting at least 10 seconds between restarts. Check for updates to Mazda firmware, phone OS, and the Waze app when problems persist. Contact a dealer only if firmware updates and resets do not restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.